What's up, everybody? How are you guys doing today? It is Monday. Feeling a little bit better. Still struggle busing it though. You guys can probably hear it in my voice. Still struggle busing it. But we do feel a lot better. Sorry about the late start today, guys. We just got done talking to CMDX and their whole team over there. We had a really good discussion. We started talking right around 9 all the way to 9:30. Guys, CMDX has so much stuff happening. I can't wait to let you guys know what's happening with that whole platform and what they're all doing, guys. You guys know me, I like me some synthetic assets. They are doing some crazy things over there. Don't worry, guys. Like I said, not bot. I'll let them know. They know. You can't buy me. But I did have a really good meeting. We're going to have the founders of CMDX on here. We're going to talk about a lot of things here shortly for CMDX, but I'll let you guys know that later. Before we jump on into the show, let me first start off. If you guys would still help me out, guys, wish Nick all the best. I'm solo doing it still. He's still not feeling good. He's still going in and out, getting things checked from his doctors. If you guys don't know, he had a heart scare. So he's having to deal with things. Please keep him in your prayers and thoughts. We want our brother to get better. We want Nick to feel better. So again, guys, help me out. You know, send out positive vibes. I don't know if you guys believe in all that stuff, but you know, I think every bit helps. So positive vibes, guys, positive vibes. What's going on, Bren? What's up, DGen? What's up, Dave? BitSource, Matt, Scott, what's going on, guys? Oh, it feels like it's been so long. Opa, what's going on, brother? One of my favorite writers, by the way. Mitchie, what's up? Peck, I'm sorry, I need my, where's my glasses? It's like, you guys ever watch Willow, where he's like, Mad Mortigan, and his name's Peck. No, his name's not actual Peck. That's just what he called him. Peck. Yeah, we hope Nick's feeling better here shortly. He's actually, I think, at the doctor right now. So, yeah. With that being said, guys, my name is Tank. I'm usually accompanied by my partner, Nick. He's not here. Like I said, though, we are the IBC Gang YouTube channel. We talk about everything that's happening in the Cosmos ecosystem as well as outside because, you know, we'd be doing everybody a disservice if we didn't also talk about the rest of the crypto space. So we talk about everything happening in and out of the Cosmos ecosystem. Before we jump on into everything, do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do your mother, auntie, daughter, brothers, cousin, and the person that you hate next door a favor. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, because the more people that see these videos, the more exposure your portfolio and the Cosmos ecosystem gets. So it's kind of like a win-win. Guys, do everybody a favor. Just like it. Go ahead, wait. Just like it. Touch it. Go ahead, touch it. That little thing down there. You know what I'm talking about. Not that other little thing. That thing you touch on your own time. Don't touch that right now. Touch it on your own time. Touch that other little thing right there, the like button, and also that subscribe button. Bada bing, bada boom. Now you should feel good about yourself. I feel good about things. Right now, though, the whole market not feeling very well at all. Not feeling very well at all. Nick, he had a health scare, J2000. He had a health scare with his heart. I'm just going to leave it at that. I don't want to put out too much of his own information. Obviously, though, you guys get what I'm talking about. So he's having that monitored, and he's, you know, going back and forth, having to do so. So I just basically told him, you know, you do you take care of what you need to take care of and rest it up. Rest it up. The flu is one thing. Ugh, still trying to get over it. Now I think it's just like the flu plus allergies plus everything else. Guys, IBC Gang YouTube channel has been having a rough 2 weeks, man. A rough 2 weeks. I got the flu, then my whole family got the flu, and then I got like walking pneumonia, and then I had like allergies. You guys live in Tennessee, you guys are the South. If you guys live in the South, you guys know allergies ain't no joke. Look at this big old hunker. I'm from an island. I'm not used to it, so it's just like bada bing, bada boom, bada pow. God's just like, take that, you son of a bee. I'm like, oh, suffering. But anyway, guys, talk about suffering. Let's go ahead and talk about the markets right now. You know, everybody this is real stuff, right? I've been trying to tell y'all some market levels that I've been watching for some time now. You guys know I've been watching it. This is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. We're using Market Cipher as our primary oscillator and indicator tool of choice. Right now on the lower section of the charts, which is Market Cipher B, you can see, let me go ahead and make this look a little nicer though. You can see here, guys, that we do look like we're starting to curve. We do look like we're starting to curve, but don't think for a minute that we can't go back down again to about 38.5 or so. We were down there to about 38.2 recently, guys. Recently, don't think that we can't come back down there again, guys. I showed you guys with the 200 SMA strategy that I've been sharing with you guys for some time now that we could literally do that. It'd be real easy to think that we could do that. Let me show you guys what that is right here. Let me bring down this Market Cipher B real quick, and let me show you guys what I've been talking about. If you guys know, I've been saying this for some time, but we could come down 36.45%. Total average move down once the 200 SMA is not kept up as support and it is broken. This is averages over the past 10 breaks, guys, over the past 10 years or so for Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin's been about 12 to 13 years. That is a good amount of price action and price data to compile. So that is the average that we can move down, which is right around $30,617. That is a good level to start DCAing, in my opinion, if we get it. I'm not going to say that we are. Nobody knows where the floor or the tops are at all. Like, nobody knows. Nobody knows. Anybody that says that is freaking lying. They're lying to you guys. But what's up, Brent? What's up, Carrie? Or what's up, K? I should say K. K sounds better. But yeah, we could come down here. Just let me show you guys here, right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about right here. We could come down like we've been doing and kind of just look at it and then pull away. We could come all the way down to it, then pull away. We could wick through it and then pull away. And by the way, it's not going to be a V-shaped recovery like that. It's going to be something like this, or like this. It's going to look something like that, guys. Absolutely something like that. If you guys remember with the COVID crash, like this was probably one of the most recent big crashes that was really felt back here, guys. If we have something just all line up together like we had back then, again, line up on the charts for us in the future, that's what you guys should be expecting. So on average, 36.45% total average move down. Once the 200 SMA is broken over the past 10 breaks, that is telling me we could come down to $30,617. That is a good section on the charts. Just crazy how it also lines up, guys. It also lines up with previous support in the past with price action. Now, if we do this again and it just bounces off, kind of like it's been doing for the past year and a half or so, that's a good thing. We're just laying down a really good base level of support for us to build upon. We're just getting all this negativity out of our lives, out of our systems, and that we're just doing what we need to do. It's not all bad. Let me show you guys another thing that just kind of like coincidentally just all lines up with each other. Excuse me one second, guys. This is bad, I know, but my nose is running. 1 second. I'm telling y'all, it's been so bad. So bad. But yeah, guys, right here, just take a look how it all just lines up again, guys. This is the other Bitcoin chart that I share with everybody. Look how this wedge pattern that we've been in right here, if we break down below, and the way that you measure the moves below and or up out of these wedge patterns is by the opening right here. Just take a measuring stick and just measure the opening. If we break down below from there, we can measure all the way down to the bottom section of this chart right here, which is right around $29,000 to $30,000. Again, what did I just say recently with the 200 SMA break? Right around $30,000. Kind of crazy, huh? So we got that. We got the 200 SMA break. We have the wedge pattern breakdown. We have previous support on the charts before for Bitcoin. We have a lot of things leading up to about 28, realistically 28, because there's not going to be a variance, guys. There's going to be wicks through. There's going to be capitulation. There's going to be mass fear and stuff like that. That's going to move those candles violently for a brief moment. But we could go all the way down to $28,000, anywhere between 28 and 32, and be absolutely still fine, guys. We'd just be doing the same thing we've been doing. A bearish flag, obviously. Yeah, all that. I mean, I've been telling you guys for so long, right? You guys got to think about the Feds. You guys got to think about what's happening in China. You guys got, like, not just like what's happening, like with the lockdowns and Corona and all this other stuff. Like, you guys know, like we get basically everything from China, right? Like, and they're in lockdown right now, which means nobody's building anything, which also means nothing's being shipped. Do you know the ships right now in China, like in Shanghai, in Hong Kong, which is different than China? Like they're the one and the same, but like they have their own governance and stuff like that there in Hong Kong, in Shanghai. That port which ships out everything. There's a chart somewhere, or a visual somewhere, which shows all the ships that are out there not docked and not being, you know, filled and shipped and loaded and all this stuff. And they're just all sitting there, which means supply demands are not being met, you know, period. Manufacturing demands not being met, period. And then on top of that, interest rates being raised by the feds. You guys, like the proof has been out there for forever, and I've been trying to warn you guys, realistically, this could happen. Yes, it's not fun. It's not exciting. You know, it's not hopium that other people give you guys, but like it's real stuff. That's why I'm not patting myself on the back. This is just stuff that works. Patience, waiting. This is the stuff that works, guys. But yeah, be excited though. I'm getting a lot more excited, guys, because there's blood in the streets, and I love seeing people run around scared because, you know, investor hat on. I'm not a good person. I'm not a good person when it comes to investing. I'm a mean, psychopathic abuser when it comes to investing. I make sure that I'm profitable at all times. I'm the bad guy. Like Tony Montana said, I'm not a nice guy. I get excited when there's blood in the streets. Give me my napkin, put it on, give me my fork and knife, guys, because I'm ready to eat. I'm like a wolf when I see an injured lamb. Oh, wee lamb. You guys are all scared and running around. This is when I get excited. Where's my wallet? Give me my money. It's time to go shopping. Daddy's got to bring out his shopping money. His shopping money. Because people are selling at a discount. And I needs it. And I needs it. You know, I'm not going to financial heaven. I know that much right now. I'm going down to where people make money. Where people make money, like wherever that is, then downstairs probably. But yeah, guys, be on the lookout, guys. 30,617, 200 SMA strategy brings us down 36,000. I'm sorry, brings us down 36.45%. Total average move down once the 200 SMA is broken. Not saying that's absolutely going to happen, but if it does, highly start considering a DCA strategy. Let's move on to ETH, unless you guys have any other questions about Bitcoin. We'll talk about the peg in a little bit. Guys, right now, look, right now we're trying to recover right now back up to this long-term trend line for ETH. We're trading at 28.78. I told you guys we'd come all the way down to 18.7. You guys might think I'm crazy. We might come down to 1876 with the delay of ETH 2.0, with everything else that's already happening. I don't care what anybody else says. Realistically, we could easily come back down to there. Now, do I think that we will? More than likely, probably not. We will probably come all the way down to this level right here and then test it as support and probably just go sideways right around here, ranging between 22 to about where we are right now on the charts. I think that's more than likely what's going to happen if we get a mass selling event happening, especially in the crypto markets. But that's just me preparing for the worst now, just because I'm an ultra prepper. And like I said, I like to capitalize on other people's misfortunes. Guys, you gotta change. You gotta change. I'm not here to make friends with my assets. You guys got to change your mindset. I'm not here to make friends. I love you. Like, you guys are all great, fellow cosmonauts. I want you guys to be the wolves with me. We should be out there eating these scared little ducklings, these scared little helpless fawn. We should be out there eating our brethren, our retail and brethren that are the weak. Like, honestly, guys, we're the alphas. Right? The people that watch this show, you guys are alphas. And if you guys want to roll in this pack, you guys better be ready to eat, because I'm ready to eat the weak links. you guys got to change your, like, I'm not here to make friends with the weaklings. I'm here to eat you. So if it comes down to here, I'm eating for real, guys. So be patient. Hopefully you guys have been listening. Guys, we've been waiting for these moments. We've been waiting for these moments. That's what I've been saying. Go back. You guys don't believe me? Go back, watch all my other shows. I've been saying it for forever. so much that I hate saying it, you know, like, oh, watch the 200 SMA strategy, watch these levels here. Patience is a virtue though. Oh, I'm ready to eat these weak, fun people. So anyway, guys, we could come all the way down here, 1876. That is the average move, which is about 48.88%. Total move down after breaking the 200 SMA strategy for ETH. Necessarily don't think that we're going to get that, guys. Like I said, if this upwards trend line right here doesn't hold up as support, we could come all the way down to here, which is more than likely what I think will happen. It will be ranging somewhere in between here for the Ethereum price. So if you start DCAing, you know, however you want to do it, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, and then a banger down here, because gosh knows, right? Nobody knows. Again, guys, you guys know me. I like to do things in 4 when I do, like, my DCAing goes in 4s. Feeler buy, enforce my feeler buy, serious buys, and then the banger buy at the very bottom, right? Every one of my positions after my initial buys is reinforcing those initial buys with more positions. So again, guys, I'm not just buying like 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. That doesn't do me any good, guys. It'd be like maybe like 10%, and then it'd be another 15%, and then, you know, another like 35%, and then a banger or something like that. Because then because I don't know where the bottoms are, I don't know where the tops are. If it comes down, guys, my average buy would be somewhere down here if I do it that way. If I just do 25%, 25%, 25%, my average buy is going to be somewhere like freaking here, and that's not going to help me at all, guys. So again, guys, you do you though, not financial advice. You guys got to do you. Do it the way you guys want to do. I've just been telling you and showing you guys what I'm waiting for. Ready to eat some people up. I'll give you 5 hoo if you be my friend. I'm already your friend, BitSource. You keep it. I'm your friend. Opa, we need your intellectual capacity to save the castle. For real, right? Sam says, wouldn't get into Universe DAO. They are like 20% filled. Okay. They're with their whitelist allocation. Nobody wants it. Really? Is that the truth with Universe DAO? It's interesting. We should talk about them on a different stream. I'm trying to catch up with the chat, guys. How long is unbonding period for that pool, Bren? 14 days? Yeah, almost 14 days. No sheep here. That's right, Kay. No sheep here. If you guys are injured sheep, I'm coming. We're going to talk about Luna real quick, guys. Luna still doing pretty well. The only green actually right now that I'm seeing in this chart, I don't know if you guys can't actually see that, can you? But it's up 1.33% over the past 24 hours while everything else is dying over here. What's not dying? Nope. Everything is dying. Amp's not dying. Doge. Are you serious? Is Doge not dying? Hold on a second. Get out of here. Just stop it. Just stop it with all that stuff. I don't even want to look at that no more. Going back to Luna, though. Let's go back to Luna. Luna's up 91.65%, guys. Trying to recapture, trying to get back above their 50 SMA right here. Guys, we're just kind of going between these SMAs. And I think, honestly, on the 200 SMA, this is the only place you need to look. If you guys get close to the 200 SMA strategy, like, seriously, we've only gone below it once before. If you want a DCA, because this shows all about like where you should be DCAing, right? In the case that we get strong selling pressure, in my humble opinion, is right on the 200 SMA, right on this yellow, like 68.95% on. If you guys get that, like, just, you know, previous price action shows you guys, like, you'd be extremely hard pressed. I would be extremely hard pressed not to start DCAing right on this level right here. So that's probably more than likely what I'm going to be doing. If it gets down to here, you guys know, as you can see, I have an alert right here, a little bit below that, but I probably will DCA like right around $75. I'll DCA probably in between right here, 67-ish bucks. You know, if I just get lucky to get anything below this, like, I'm so bullish on Luna long term in the Terra ecosystem that I don't see how I cannot spend money there. Not financial advice. You guys do you. If we go take a look at Market Cipher B, though, you can see that we do show a little glimmer of a red dot right here. But the RSIs, guys, they're rounding. They're rounding. And their only thing putting resistance right now with the sell pressure is Luna. So, like, it kind of looks like it's flattening out kind of like that right there. That's kind of what it's looking like it's wanting to do. Now, does it do something like it did right here where it kind of just goes like this and then like this again? I don't know. But I'm telling you right now, it kind of looks like it's fighting the resistance right now. Kind of looks like it's trying to get rid of that little red dot. We are still in the green as positive money flow is on the charts right there on Market Cipher B. So Luna, go figure, right? Can never get a good entry on Luna. Just might as well just buy some stuff and just set it and forget it. Not financial advice though. I want $10 Luna. Not gonna happen, DJ, ever. Believe it or not, I'm still collecting Fought in the dungeon too, Opa. Rowan is not dying. That's right. We'll talk about Rowan in just a little bit though. No, it's not. No, it's not dying. And who told y'all about that? Who told y'all about Rowan? Some of y'all already knew because y'all smart. Y'all smart little killers. That's why I love you. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at our favorite love child. This is the interesting one. So people are like, Tank, what you talking about? It's never gonna get there. Guys, 200 SMA strategy. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what I've been talking about, right? This is our daily time frame for Atom, guys. Oops. No, hold on. This is our daily time frame for Atom. We've been on the uptrend, pretty much up and to the right, just with volatility the whole time, right? And that's okay. Hey, look, that's okay. We've been kind of just doing our thing, right? We've just been kind of doing our thing, slow and steady, up and to the right. But until the trend breaks, you know, right? Until the trend breaks. What's the saying? Trend is your friend until it breaks. Could happen though. One thing I've been pointing out to you guys and want to be very detailed about is the 200 SMA break strategy that I've been sharing with you guys for some time. I've been telling you guys, if it comes down to this white line right here, and look at that. Look at that wick. Y'all, I don't know how to say this because YouTube can get mad at me. Y'all believe me now? Touch the wick, pull away. Or, what, touch the wick? The wick touches the white line and then pulls away. See, I'm still dealing with stuff, guys. Fog brain, but I'm doing my best. As you can see, I'm still trying to keep the hype up. But yeah, came all the way down, wick to it, pulled away. Are we done yet? I don't know. 1 second. I'm going to mute it too so you guys don't hear that. Flawless victory. I know, right? I know what I've been saying. That's what I've been saying. G. Anyway, I don't like, who knows though, right? Like, just, it's working out right now, but like tomorrow it's going to be like, and then you guys will be like, ha ha ha. And I'll be like, oh, damn, I was wrong. But like right now, guys, look at that. Wick back up. Does it hold up as support? Could possibly come in between because we have two different SMA strategies. We have the 50 SMA strategy and we have the 200 SMA strategy. Again, the 200 SMA strategy is telling me about $20.77 is a good level to start DCAing. If you don't already have these levels of Atom in your bag, that would be a good level to start DCAing. Again, guys, this is previous price action. This is price action in the past telling us on average, when the 200 SMA does not hold up as support, that is on average the total average move down before flooring position starts happening. What flooring positions look like on the charts, guys, is they look like this right here. Market Cipher B. They look like this. They look like this. They look like what's happening right here, guys. Flooring positions like this is what I'm talking about on the charts, guys. When things start flooring out and the selling pressure is a little bit overextended and too much. Again, I don't know where the absolute bottom is. To be honest with you, though, we could go in between both of these, come between about $17.50 and $21, give or take. And then that would be kind of like where the start of my DCAing would be. Again, guys, if you guys are looking for my DCA strategy, this isn't financial advice for you guys, but for me, and I'm going to do it. I'm telling you, I'm going to do it. If it comes in between this section right here, I will start my first two DCAing zones right there. And then I'm going to reinforce it by putting another one right around 1450 and then a banger right around $9 or $10, which would cover this last one, would be way more than anything else I bought up here, because my average buy with them would be brought all the way down to here. Get what I'm saying? So again, that's just me. That's just me, guys. I've been trying to tell y'all. Though. Guys, that's what I got right now on the charts. We're gonna go move on into some news in the space, and we're walking, right? And we're walking. First and foremost, I want to let you guys know about GNO, or no, or go, or whatever you want to call it, however you want to call it. Jay Quan put out this. It's a date. We got a date. You, me, everybody. We going on a date. It's gonna be a fancy date too. Why am I not following him? I swear, sometimes, like, y'all ever been on Twitter, or not Twitter, Twitch and stuff like that, where like your follow just stops not following? How dare I not follow Jay Quan? You better let me follow him. Put that on their calendars. That's when you guys, if you guys are Atom stakers, should be getting yourself some GNO. I'm super bullish on GNO, or if this isn't the drop, this is when they will go live. Either way, Goland is super, super bullish. I'm super bullish on it. If you guys don't follow Jay Quan, follow Jay Quan. Check out this tweet, letting you guys know right now. Again, alpha, point your head that way. Look at what's happening over here. Don't care what's happening over here. Look what's happening over here, guys. That's where I'm pointing to you guys to. Do yourself a favor and follow those breadcrumbs. Follow those breadcrumbs. That's super, super bullish. I'm super excited. I will be buying me as much more as I possibly can on top of the airdrop that I hopefully get for GNO or Goland. But yeah, this is it right here, guys. This is it right here. GNO.land. Check it out. You guys got to check it out. Next thing I want to talk to you guys about is the wolf. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look. He pissed off. Y'all ready for this? What's up, Babs? Y'all ready for this? Unity Prop approaching quorum in only 3 hours, guys. You guys, how'd you guys vote? Don't be shy. No, look, like, how did you guys vote? Let the world know. You don't have to agree. Look, if everybody else says they voted yes and you like the no, let everybody else know you voted no. We're not going to hate you. You're okay. Get them, guys. No, I'm just joking. No, seriously. We have the Unity prop that happened over the weekend. We made a video yesterday. We talked all about it. Again, I apologize. It was yesterday. I watched a little bit of yesterday's video and I was like, oh, man, you were just talking. But yeah, it's, the flu face, the flu. Guys, I voted yes. I voted yes on all 4 of my wallets that I manage. Yes, I have 4 wallets. What do y'all think? Of course I have 4 wallets. But yeah, I voted yes. It is what it is. But first, let me ask you guys this. If you guys didn't catch the stream yesterday, how many of y'all watched the whale interview? Huh? Y'all watched that hot mess, that garbage? Not Crypto Don. He's not garbage. I actually like the guy. I'm talking about the content. Garbage. I don't even know why we were talking to him. Nobody want to be your friend. Stop touching me. You got cooties. Yeah, we look at it. Ooh, that one looks even better. Such a mean little wolf. Get him. Bullish, bearish, ape. Anyway, guys. So let me hold on one second. Let's do this right now. Can we find it right here? Where's my Juno? There it is. Votes. Where are we at? I hate whenever I go to white screens and stuff like that because, like, I noticed in some of my videos, the whole thing is like, it's all crazy. 96%. Yes. 97.22. Past threshold. Ooh. What did I think about the Texas between the whale and wolf? I thought it was super BS, to be honest with you. I've been the first one to always say, guys, like that was some BS, man. Look, there was fault on both hands, but like honestly, like to keep it simple, like somebody just said, no, I won't say what somebody else said. I'll just keep it what I said because I can only be responsible for what I said. You know, I'm comfortable. I had a hard time thinking about like taking stuff away from people, but like when you put the context in its structure, right? I'm fine with it. You weren't supposed to get that stuff anyway. And it's not just like the whole, I want to give it to my clients. I want to give it back to my clients things. Like think about other people. No, they weren't part of the community to begin with because they were using you to hold their atom, to custodial their atom. And for many reasons, one of those being that should have already banned you from getting it and they barred them from getting it. It's like using people that, I'm sorry, I'm going to say this right now. People that use centralized exchanges, you're not a cosmonaut. I'm sorry, I'm just going to say it. You're not a cosmonaut. You're just some person that bought crypto and took the easy way out and are using custodials to stake with. Like you're sheep. You're not a cosmonaut. You're not. They're not. I'm just gonna say it right now. You're not. You're not part of the crew. You're not part of the IBC gang. You're not. You don't get to come in this one. Just that now. You bought that knockoff sweater somewhere else. Go somewhere else. You were holding look, I don't like people. Fine enough. F it. I'm just gonna keep it. Like I'm not gonna be nice about it anymore. People that buy, I will straight up say this. You're not part of the ecosystem if you just buy and stake your atom on centralized exchanges or you use a custodial person to stake it. I don't care about the way you, oh gosh, and here in Japan or in my country, I can't do this. And that's how they were helping me, blah, 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 blah. Bro, shh. There's people that use VPNs all over the world. There's people that take risks. There's people that do things for themselves and take the initiative. Stop talking like a sheep. Stop talking like a victim. You're not part of the crew. Buy 86 yourself, kick rocks, beat it. I don't care. You're not a cosmonaut through and I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. People might hate me for it. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. You're not a true cosmonaut. You didn't deserve to get it. And no, you don't care about giving it back to them right now. So like, no, I'm good. I'm good about taking it from you and having it burnt. No. Just like basically 97.22% of everybody else also agrees with me about that. So whatever. We're gonna move on though, and we're walking. And we're walking. Do you guys, honestly, I say all this stuff, but at the same time, I still kind of feel bad about it. Do you guys agree with me about that? Or am I an a-hole? Are people who buy Atom on centralized exchanges and stake their Atom on centralized exchanges, do you consider them on your level as a cosmonaut? Do you consider them a community member like yourself that's actively voting on proposals in governance and stuff like that? Do you really consider them cosmonauts? Let me know in chat, guys. Do you guys really consider them cosmonauts? Corda, I wish I could get the 50K. Give me the 50K. Give it to me. I don't consider them cosmonauts. You're not on my level, bro. You're not on the same level as me and my friends. Like, sorry. You're not part of the gang. You can't come kick it with these colors, man. Beat it. Beat it. Get out of here. Next thing we're going to talk about, though, guys. See, look. I see. I wish I had sound effects where I could be like, oh, you're not part of the gang. See, the crew votes with me. You're not part of the gang. I bet Sonny voted no. I bet there was a lot. I bet you there was a lot of how am I going to say this? I'm never going to get these people on my channel because they're like, that guy's an asshole. If I ever go to like Cosmo versus, dude, they're going to be like, fuck that guy. He speaks the truth. Yeah, I just won't say it. There's a lot of weak motherfuckers out there. That's why that'll vote no. Anyway, I said it. That's right. I said it. Whatever. Come at me. I don't care. But yeah, guys. Rama, what's up, Rama? I think most don't understand what they're doing or missing out on. I'd rather teach them than bring them over. I would too. If you guys want to be part of this gang, you guys want to wear these colors, you got to earn them. Come with me if you want to live. Come with me if you want to live. If you want to learn how to defend yourself, if you want to learn how to actually be a real person, a real cosmonaut, take my hand. I'll show you this whole Kepler world, this whole cosmos ecosystem. Come with me. Come. I don't know. That's a really bad. I can't even do accents right now or impersonations because my nasals are all messed up, guys. But like, no, yeah. Until you want to take the red pill. What was it? What was it in Matrix? Was it the red pill or the blue pill that made you actually like see the truth? Whichever the pill. Until you want to take the pill, you're not a G. Anyway, guys, we're going to move on. Rowan kicking butts and taking names. Been trying to tell y'all about some Rowan, guys. Rowan is the top gainer on this list for its 7-day performance. This is top gainers of the week governance coins, guys. Rowan up there. It was the blue pill. Yeah, until you take the blue pill, you just a rat. You're just a mouse in the maze. You're just a rat in the maze. You're not a real G. Come. Yeah, come. Guys, Rowan doing great though. Actually, let's take a quick second. 1 second, guys. Let's take a look at Rowan. Let's take a look at you. Why it takes so long now? Why everything takes so long? Work for me now? It's gonna work. It's gonna happen. Click it. All right, guys, let's check it out. Bada boom. Look at that. Whoop. 50-minute chart. Still looking beautiful. Look at that. Look at that growth, guys, on the 15-minute to where we are right now. That's 17.57% over the past 7 days to where we are right now at our peak. Guys. I'll be telling you. What I tell you. At our peak, we're up 20%. 20% in about 3 days. In 3 days. That's something to eat some Cheerios over, guys. Some Cheerios. Rowan doing fantastic. I've been trying to, Nick and I both been trying to tell y'all. Y'all need to look over what's happening over there. Forget the noise. Forget, all the, guys, people change. Protocols change. Things change. Once they had cooties, now they don't have cooties. Once they were picking their nose, and now they're looking all great and ready for prom. You can't always be judging them of what they did in second grade when they pooped in the swings. You can't always judge them by that. It's senior prom day. She's looking good. Y'all better go ask her out. Guys. Forget what she did back in second grade when y'all were playing tag and she went, in the playground place and took a poopy. Forget all that. She look good now. Anyway, guys, yeah. I'm not gonna keep bragging about Civ Chain, but man, I'm happy. We're gonna move on unless anybody else wants to talk about anything else. One thing I want to put on your guys' radar right here is Matrix Layer. If you guys know anything about Matrix Layer, anything up and coming, order book, specific blockchain on Cosmos, order books on Cosmos, guys, it's pretty bullish. Check it out. Again, guys, it's, these concepts and all this stuff, you guys have to take them with a grain of salt. Just watch them. Just keep an eye on them. Read their white paper right here. Check out Matrix Layer. It's an order book. It's order book specific blockchain on Cosmos. Check them out, guys. Check them out. Lala, what's going on, Nomad? What is up? We've been trying to tell them, Nomad. We've been trying to tell them about what you guys were working on over there at Civ Chain, right? Right? Oh, I've been trying to tell them. Uni rug pull already? No. Tell you guys. Tell me, what are we talking about? Uni rug pulled? Uni source vow. This happened right here on the. Thanks for shout out. Did they not get? Did they rug pull people? Look up Uni. I just did. Oh wait, actually let's try doing this. It's because isn't it on Cosmos charts? Cosmos Pugs charts on Twitter. Verse is Verse not on here? No. Uniswap? Wait, what are you guys talking about? Wait. Are you guys talking about Uniswap? I'm so confused. Not Universe, right? Like, yeah, we're talking about Universe, right? Not Cosmos. Okay. That's what I was talking about. Okay, wait. What? Total purchased. It's not a project on Avalanche blockchain. Huh? Pardesh, I'm confused. You're confusing me. I'm so gullible. Stop confusing me. Someone help me. There are rug pulls everywhere. They are. But no, did they rug pull? Like, did they, wait. So, I know there was a bunch of like red flags. Admittingly, I bought a small portion of the thing, but that's why I bought a small portion of it, which is, whatever. If they rug it, I don't really care about it. But like, no, like when you say rug, like, did they rug? Right? No. So right now, Universe, yeah, and they had a really active leader on Twitter. Wait, what do you mean? No, but what do you mean they rug pulled though? So like, are they gone? They took all the money and ran? There was 54,000. No, 546,000 Verse tokens basically bought. Everything gone. It is off topic though, so sorry. Oh, we're going to have to talk about that later then. Everything gone. Wow. I did not see that at all. Tricky bastards. They had some really good I don't want to call them OGs. The one thing I didn't like is that they did not want themselves to be doxxed, but like they were like, you could find us and stuff like that. And then also like, I don't know, it's pretty crazy. We'll look into it after. We'll look into it. Who started this IBC gang? Who started the IBC gang? She's not talking about Universe DAO? Wait. You guys are killing me. I'm so confused now. It's not a Cosmos project. Me. Lala, are you... Okay, I'm so... Like, I was like, wait. So Universe didn't. He's not on voice or I jump in clear. Oh, wait, hold on. I can be. Hold on. Save me. Damn it, Brent. I'm in voice right now. Save me right now. Don't leave me hanging because I'm so confused now. You guys are talking about actual uni? This is what happens when Nick's not here, damn it.
Yo.
Is Lala trolling me? I'm gonna get you, Lala. I'm gonna get you, Nomad. I'm gonna get you so bad.
I think you were just misunderstanding when she said Uni V. You probably thought it was Universe DAO, obviously, because that's the only one we're aware of in the Cosmos space.
Yeah, you're not talking about it, are you?
A different project that was really active on Twitter called Uni V, like Univ, like the way she typed it, right? And they just so if you're at Uni V on Twitter, you'll see a bunch of people talking about how it rubbed. But it's not the Universe DAO. Don't panic, everyone. I think we're still all good on that.
No, man, I'm gonna get you so. You know I'm easy. I'm like Ron Burgundy. Don't put anything on the teleprompt. I'll read it. Wait, I got not. Wait, hold on. I want to see it. Wait, Uni V. This thing. Uni V. Oh, it was on AVAX. Oh, everybody died. Oh, wow. Well, I'm glad it wasn't Universe DAO because I was like, wait a minute.
Yeah, I could tell you were like, wait a second, I bought into this.
Yeah, but I was like, well, it was still like, you know, I still had my, I'll be honest, I'm still holding true to what I just said. Like, there was a couple things I didn't really like about Universe, like Universe DAO is the whole, I think you don't want to dox, but I get it, you know, whatever, the developers don't want to dox themselves and stuff like that. But at the same time, it was like, that make me feel very well. And then you have to like, obviously lock up your tokens. You don't get them for like a month and whatever. It still makes me feel weird, like climbing the rope in gym class, but I'm so confused. I'm so confused, Lala. So confused. I'm gonna get you later. I'm gonna get you. You know what? It's okay. I'll give you a pass because Nomad Shift Chain doing so well. Like, I can't get mad at you. Next thing I want to talk to you guys about real quick. Don't forget, check out Matrix, or not Matrix. Gosh, you guys make me forget. I can't even think of it. Check out the white paper for that I was showing you guys earlier. Next thing I want to talk to you guys about is in and out, guys. Please don't forget to go play around on the test nets for diffusion. It's let me see if I can connect this real quick. It's real easy. It's, you know, you never know, you might be able to get something out of this. I was going to make a video, but then again, the kids weren't feeling good and stuff like that. But like, guys, play around on the test net. It like really is simple to do. And also, who knows, you might get something from it. Like, you really might get something from it, guys. So just even do like just a couple of swaps. Just do a couple of swaps. Yeah. That's all I gotta say about that. As you can see, I've already done a little bit. My farming. Ooh, look at that. 5 diff. Diff, claim me. I know you guys will not be charged Ethereum gas fees. It's the Evmos. But just do some activity on here, guys. Make sure you guys are doing stuff on diff. Every time I say diff, it's like watching, what is it, The Simpsons beer? It's like buff or whatever. Diff. Guys, lastly, I want to talk to you guys about ComDex. Again, guys, I told you guys earlier, I did talk to the ComDex team before the stream. That's why we started late. They are doing amazing things here on their platform. And hopefully I'll be having their team to speak about what they're working on probably sometime next month, hopefully earlier than later. But I just kind of want to point it out to you guys again, guys. The DevNet is out there for you guys to use, to play around on, to check out. It's really simple and easy to use. And when you are using this testnet, please understand that it is incentivized on top of things, guys. So that is something to also keep in mind. It's an incentivized testnet. So just for clicking it and getting some cooties, you might get some more cooties later. Yeah, let's go ahead and talk about, nope. That's it, actually. That is it. We're going to talk about some osmosis charts and get into an AMA. If you guys have anything you guys want to talk about, that's all I had. We're going to cover what's happening in Osmosis, though, until I get some questions coming my way. But yeah. That's my son stealing my phone. Go on, beat it. Go on, beat it. Let me see here. Let me try to catch up with chat. So I just wondered if you discussed it. Sam Lala is trolling. He has nothing to do with castles. Let's go take a look real quickly at the Osmosis chart, guys. Oof. $4.82. $4.82. Where I'm looking to start DCAing, guys, is again right up at the very bottom of $4. That would be at the very lows of before with recent price action in the past. And then again, guys, you just got to look out for these highs or resistance levels right here in the past, which is $3.80-ish. You guys, of course, if we dip down below that, look for about $2.38. I don't think we're going to get down to $1.28. I just don't. But if we do, that would be like my 4 moves in play. So be on the lookout for those levels with Osmosis. Gosh, it's just such a pity to see so much things being sold off right now. Juno, $14.64. Still, look at that right there, guys. Still holding up as support right now. It's just kind of like doing its thing, just kind of flattening out a little bit. Now, we might actually get some more selling pressure with Juno just because people are going to, disagree with what's happening. But I do think once we get everything ironed out and out of the way, Juno has a really, really bright future, regardless of all that BS and moral complex that, people are having with things like the protocol itself and the potential that it has in itself. The technology alone has a lot of bullish potential. So, I mean, I'm not selling a bit of my Juno. You guys know I'm not. I haven't sold anything. J2000 Tank, what is your castle plan for SFOT? PEG doesn't get controlled by BFOT, continues to crash. Will you just collect FOT waiting for subsystems? Keep compounding? Yeah. At this point, I've already taken profits. So, like, whatever kind of thing. That's why I'll stress to everybody, like, make sure that you guys ensure that you're winners. You make sure that winner status is around your neck, or above your head before you start going degen stuff. Like, actively take profits and keep actively taking profits. Even right now, there's still worth to farming your position. If you're still there and you're in the suck, hey, it might take you a year. It might take you 2 years. It might take you 3 years to get your initial investment back, but you better freaking keep doing it. Like, if you sell at a loss now, if you just undelegate and try to sell at a loss now, what good is that to you? Keep it in there. Keep selling when you can for what you can, even if it's $10 a day, $15 a day, $20 a day. It's still money coming your way. Eventually, that will compound and it'll be more, hopefully, than what you put in, and maybe something will change. So that's, that would be my advice, not financial advice, but that would be my advice to you guys. Like, just keep working on ensuring that you are a winner. I would welcome more selling pressure, to be honest, for Juno, Corda. Oh, the 10K. I didn't go over the 10K portfolio. It sucks. That's what it looks like right now. It just sucks. Do we even have to look at it? Get out of here. It's people have a good day. Gotta mow the yard. Ugh, allergies. You have fun with that. Appreciate you being there, DGen. What's up, Oliver? Whenever this wants to actually work, we'll come back to it. I don't know. Hey, Brent, what are you doing right now in the castle?
I'm currently looking at the SFOT price and crying.
What is it right now?
It was 0.55 when Sam asked me to check like 10 minutes ago. So
0.55.
Yep. So that means that when we get our liquidity out that we unbonded, the USD SFOT, we're
it don't matter. We're gonna suck it. Yeah,
we're gonna get a pretty big loss there.
It just sucks. Wait, where's it at? Where's the
SFOT module, stable module?
Oh, it don't even show it. It don't even show it, Cletus. I'm gonna claim this anyway, though. Oh, there you go. 0.55.
Oh boy.
You know, it could be 0.
Well, think about it this way, Tank. If we waited just a bit longer to unbond, it could have been 0 by the time our shit on our stuff unbonded.
It could be 0. It sucks, but it could. Rama says entire IBC looks bad at the moment. In fact, all of crypto looks bad. It does. All of crypto looks bad, guys. And that's what, I've been trying to stress to you guys for a long, long time, these levels, like these key levels, which people are like, your 200 SMA strategy. I've literally gotten messages from people that, obviously I don't know and stuff like that, but people send me messages all the time like, oh, your 200 SMA strategy is bullshit. Sorry, YouTube, I know I swear, but they'll say this and that, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, whatever. Like, if you really don't think that can't happen, you haven't been here long enough. I have buy zones again, right here, as you can see for Bitcoin, third massive buy zone between 16 and 20K. I literally will own multiple Bitcoins again back here. Not that I don't right now, but like I get more back here at this price. I just want to assure you guys, trading at 39,278 right now, we can come down easily to 30,600. That is 36.45% total average move down once the 200 SMA is broken for Bitcoin. Ethereum is right here at 1876. That's 48.88% total average move once the 200 SMA does not hold up as support and it is broken. That is the total average move down based on previous price action in the past that we could expect a flooring position to start taking part on the charts once we get around this level here, guys. Not saying that we're going to do that, but yeah, that is like realistically where you should be looking. And for Atom, again, that is not far from it, guys. We're about $20.77. Again, not to say, but so far, look at how we wicked right down to where my level was. The same level I've been sharing with you guys for a long time, and we pulled away from it. Not saying that it's going to stay that way. We could definitely wick below that for sure. And we could come down in between $17.50 and $20.77. And that could be where you want to really start DCAing. But I've been trying to tell you guys, don't front run the markets. Don't get all, just tarred into your own biasism. Like you're going to get wrecked doing that stuff. Be patient. Wait for the max pain. Wait for people to be crying and to be saying that this is all BS and that, this is all stupid anyway. I shouldn't have even been here. And scoop up their coins because they're sissies. Like that's what you guys want to do. Yeah. Let me see here. With change of ROWAN tokenomics, are you more bullish on ROWAN than Juno now? Nah. I mean, no. Like, they're different things. They're different things. Short term, for about a year, I'm going to be super bullish on ROWAN. But it's doing a complete different thing than what Juno's doing. Juno is a, permissionless smart contract capable token. Or protocol. It allows people to, which, obviously you can come and roll in and build there and do stuff as well too. But like, it's a different whole type of ecosystem. It's a whole different type of structure there. And I think Juno still has the upper hand for a lot of different things. So yeah, I mean, and that's just in what it does. Ooh, excuse me. Adam getting more talk and traction at the moment. Yep. Correction for Juno is going to happen eventually, just compounded with the whole wealth. Yep. I 100% agree with you, Bren. Even 3 years out. Are you talking about with, no, especially for Juno, like you're talking about the first 3 years of Juno's tokenomics or inflation schedule is the most bullish time for Juno holders. Like if you're not bullish for the first 3 years, you're doing it wrong. Go read the white paper again. Go read the economics or the structure, inflation structure breakdown for the Juno token, And you will see that the first 3 years, each year it drops by 20%, or at least it drops by half, right? It drops, so it's at 40%, then it goes to 20% inflation, then it goes to 10% inflation in the first 3 years, and then after that it goes by a whole percent each time until the 12 years is totally up and done. That is an insanely aggressive inflation schedule for the first 3 years. If you are at all bullish on the possibility of a permissionless smart contract, like the first 3 years for Juno is the last time that you should be selling or contemplating not being bullish for it, in my opinion. Like, amongst all of this stuff, it still does not matter to me. Like, none of this shit matters. If this stuff was happening in the later part of its life cycle, as far as the inflation cycle goes, like maybe year 8 or year 7 or even year 6 or whatever it is, right? Like, that would be a different situation. But like, we're still in year 1. We're literally still in year 1. And there's so much more upside for not just the tokenomics, but the potential for the protocol to be built on. Like, there's just, I think anybody selling it off and calling it quits, like, yeah, different strokes, different folks. You might be right. I might be wrong, but I'm going to call you freaking crazy. When I'm looking at those odds, I'm going to take those odds every day, all day. And I'll put my money where my mouth is. You guys have seen, and I've said it, guys, I've seen multiple, 6 digits come and go from Juno in my wallet. Unrecognized gains, unrecognized losses. I mean, whatever you want to call them, because, I'm still just compounding. But I'm willing to bet that I'm more likely than not, especially in the next 3 years, going to be seeing much more gains than what I've seen so far as a loss. So, yeah, that's just where I'm at with my Juno holdings. What percentage of raw will you sell immediately or within the first week? Probably none. I'm going to get so much of it. Well, I'll say this. It also depends on, I want to see the structure as well for the raw token as well. Like, all we've seen right now is the stake drop or the fair drop token structure for that. I want to see the inflation. I want to see, the supply and all that stuff. Has anybody seen that yet? Have you seen that, Rama, Bren?
They haven't put it out yet.
Yeah. What's up, Nick? What's going on, man? How you feeling?
Wonderful.
We miss you, man. Everyone's missing you.
I'm here.
Yeah. He's alive. But yeah, that's what I want. That's what I want to see. To make that judgment call, I would first need to see that. Like, right now, I'm just going off, similarly. I know I can't fairly compare, Osmo to raw, but it's the only thing I got right now. So I'm just going to kind of use that. If it's anything like, a thirding or like an aggressive tokenomic structure like Osmo has, I'm not selling nothing. Like, but if that could easily change if it comes out. Juno is unique. What percentage of raw? Only Pupmos can save us. I don't know about that. Probably what I'm going to do too. Hold raw. Yep. Hold it, guys. See if this pulled up. It didn't pull up yet either. What is going on with this? There we go. It could be worse, guys. 10K studies at 74.73. Look at Shift Chain though. Look how good. Should have just put it all in Shift Chain. Damn it.
Yes, sir.
Should just put 10K all in Shift Chain. And ROWAN. Nick over here like, yeah, you should have. Hey, Master, good to see you. Getting better. What are your taking profit zones for ROWAN? I'm not taking profits personally for ROWAN for at least half a year.
50 cents is my first take profit for ROWAN.
Is that 50 cents?
Yeah.
Let's see here. Go into Rowan. Go into Rowan. That would be, hold on. Let me just use any chart, whatever. Oh gosh, sniffles. Oh, actually, you know what? Easy chart, because ADA's in that range already. ADA. That would be, oh my gosh, Nick. What is it at right now? 12 cent? What is it at?
12 cents.
50 cent. Oh my gosh. That would be 4,000%. Yes. Nomad. Can we do a 4,000x? Can we do 4,000%? 4,000x. Can we do 4,000%?
I mean, it was $1 at one point, right? $1.40.
That means we can. So you're saying we can do that. J2000, thank you so much for that super chat, man. Oh, you're welcome. Super bullish on those. Opa 2000, J2000, the chat magician fancy graphic. Yes, I think so. Yes. Well, the lady says it, so that's all I have to go by. The lady says it, then that's what we're doing. Guys, I'm not, it just makes me want to do math right now, and I don't want to do math in front of you guys, though, because I know it's not about how much I got. It's about how much you guys are winning, too. Guys, what's up, Chavo? What's up, man? That's all I really got, though. Like, right now, I'm just kind of, like, sitting there ranting and stuff like that. Do you guys have any other charts you guys want us to go over, or concerns, or, questions that you guys want to go over as far as the crypto market goes and where you think things are going to go?
Have you talked about stars today?
I have not talked about stars. What's going on with stars? Starsies. Let me see stars. Stargaze. Ooh. Almost at its freaking. You know what? Actually, though, just looking at this chart, looks like a flooring is happening, dude.
Yep.
It looks like a flooring is happening. I know it's kind of hard to see that, but if you like literally look at that chart, look at that. Hold on. $0.10 is a freaking steal. 10 cents is a steal. Are you guys still bullish on stars? We were talking about it earlier. Definitely go check out. Do that on your own time. Don't do that right now. But you guys can go check out these tweets. But Daquan, July 4th, guys. July 4th. Now, I don't know. Is this going to be snapshot? Oh, it's a snapshot date. Maybe set reminders to the prior week. July 4th will be the snapshot date. Atoms locked on IBC channels will be locked up and released if it makes sense. Just a case from the osmosis community after a period of review. No rush. Ooh. You don't have to be staking. Sometimes people need to unbond. Maybe there will be slight incentive. Maybe not. The unbonded contribute via their dilution. I can't read or speak today. No need to punish anymore. Punish more. Have your atoms ready. Stargaze Marketplace delayed, did not do any favors on the price action. No, they did not. Very bullish on stars for June with this marketplace. Yeah, they just need to launch their marketplace, to be honest with you guys. I'm still bullish for them. Is there any new ones out there? How many? 88%. How much are these? Should I buy one of these right now? Just to buy one. You guys want me to buy one of these right now? Should I buy one of these, Nick? I hope I get the Juno one. I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy it because I'm a dummy. I bought ones. Cross your fingers. If I don't get it, it's your guys' fault. That's all I gotta say.
Hey, I blame the chat.
I'm blaming you guys, chat. Let's see. What is it? Is this what I got? What the hell is that? What is that? Let's see. What is this? Sky? Gemini? Ape? Wait. Landmark. There's an ape. Egg. None. Stumpy pocket. There, I got nothing. Wait. I don't have enough. Oh no. Rip. Whoop, I don't even know what the hell that was. What was that, guys? What was that? Go. I get so I can't buy NFTs, guys, because I get so like whatever.
I get too competitive when I buy NFTs.
Yeah. I got me a Friends. I got me a Baby Adam. I got this dude. This dude's kind of actually pretty good, actually, from what I understand. No. Yes, no. Then I got this dude. And now I got this. I don't know what the hell this is. Stumpy Rocket. I got a Stumpy Rocket. I feel like I'm being judged right now. I got a bit kind of butthead. And what? What is this? What the hell is this? Genesis soundtrack? Excuse me? I got a soundtrack? Wait. Gonna get into so I'm gonna kill some shit. I wanna Can I use this as my intro? Oh snap! It's gonna drop, Nick. Friend, it's gonna drop. It's actually kind of legit. The chicken wing, Opa, that's my chicken wing thing. I haven't been to a rave at all. Chicken. Yeah, I want it to kill. This is a 2-minute mark. It's 3 minutes and 28 seconds. What's up, Jeremy? Oh, they brought it back. They're like, oh, all the chicks are getting ready. see how this ends. 20 seconds left. How does this end? Does it just die? Oh, it just crashed like Akira or something like that. It just died like Akira. That's all it did, guys. It was like, oh, suck it. Guys, wait a minute. Hold on. Wait. I'm lost. I didn't buy that. Do y'all check your Stargaze right now? Did y'all wait?
It's from delegating to that one. Remember that thing we delegated to? Stargaze Troopers or whatever?
That's because I made good decisions, Nick.
I have one too.
What? Is yours dope too?
I haven't listened to it yet.
Oh. Why I got a stubby rocket though? No, oh, dang it. Then I got these dudes. These dudes are supposedly, like this dude is supposedly, I got a 1%er and a 1%er with the visor. So apparently like, and a 1%er, I got like 3 1%ers right here. So apparently like he's kind of good. I don't know. Supposedly. Bro, this gave me ideas. Snoop. Oh yeah, guys, if you guys don't know, Snoop's working on an intro for us. You need that that clip, Snoop? Send me the message. I'll send it to you. Send me this soundtrack for real. No, it's my soundtrack. You can't have it, Pradesh. It's mine. It's all mine. Mine. It's like Scrooge McDuck. Mine. Yeah. That song was actually pretty good, Brent. Yeah, so I got that guy. And then this dude, which he's not as good, but he's got like 2s and a bunch of 4s. So I don't even know. I've spent so much on NFTs now where I'm just like, pfft. Made your morning. All right, Fuzzy. But yeah, guys, I'm just goofing off now, to be honest with you guys. Love you guys to death. Nick, I'm so happy you're back, man. Well, here. I don't know if are you going to be back?
I'll be on tomorrow.
Nice. Guys, see? I told you guys earlier, we're like, if you guys put out positive vibes from Nick, and look, he heard it, and he was like, I feel positive vibes. He got out of his bed with his cane. He was like, I got to get online. Guys, you guys be good, all right? Don't worry. Blood is in the streets. It's fine. That's when you guys should be sharpening your knives, and taking advantage of some of these people. Taking an advantage of some of these people who are fearful. Look at Luna. Luna don't care, though. Luna don't care. Guys, look out for these levels that I've shared with you guys before for Adam. Look out for them. Guys, I'm freaking, look at that. Called it, Nick, right there. Banger, wicked straight down to our level on our 200 SMA. Banger right there. It's not the first time I did that either, guys. I did that with Akash too. Hold on, let me show you guys. Y'all don't believe me that these things, well, look at this. That's the level right there, that line. Look at that wick. Whoop. Guys, the 200 SMA strategy works. Just be patient. With that being said, we're going to get out of here, guys. You guys be good. Stay blessed. Be on the lookout for tomorrow's show. Peace. Get out of here, you animals. Bah. Beat it. Go on, beat it. Stop it. Just go on.